Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Google form header in Canva web. So here I want to make a header for this form, and I want to make it on Canva. And first, what you need to do is find out the size of the Google form header. So you can actually find it on Google Forms. So I search on Google, and here is the size for the Google form header. So I'm going to go to Canva and click on create a design and click on a custom size. So in this case, I'm gonna be using this size. Okay, this size right here. Okay, so the Google form header that I want to make is for the math class. So I'm going to find some related design with math or education in Canva. Okay, so it's already open, and here I'm going to just use the template from Canva, and I want to use, for example, okay, so just explore until you find the one that you like. For example, this one. Okay, so I'm going to go math class class 4B, for example. And you can add Miss, for example, Miss Jane, teacher name, and I'm going to find some related elements with math or education. Okay, so I'm going to add into this design. You can just explore. Okay, so I'm done, and then I'm going to click on share and download this image. I'm going to just use the GPG and click on download. Then to add it to the Google form, you need to click on the Google form and then click on this customize theme. And then here is the header option. You just need to click on choose image and then find the image here. So I'm going to drag the file in here like this, and it will be added or uploading into my Google form. So just click on done. Just wait. Okay, so the image has been uploaded, and now it has been set as the Google as the header in my Google form. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.